Hello, and welcome to the CUFSM4 tutorial called cFSM, or the Constrained Finite Strip Method. CUFSM4 was developed by Professor Ben Schaefer and the Thin-Walled Structures group at Johns Hopkins University. As you may have guessed, this tutorial was developed by me, Kara Peterman, grad student at Johns Hopkins Civil Engineering. And please, if you intend to publish any results you obtained using CUFSM4, please reference the following conference paper. And now, a look into that cFSM button I woefully ignored in my first tutorial. For that, we go back to MATLAB. Call CUFSM4 just like last time. This time, we're going to load that exact analysis I performed in the video entitled The Signature Curve. So here it is, right here, demo.mat. Now, even though the user interface didn't change at all, CUFSM4 has in fact loaded my previous analysis. My input is exactly what I had last time, and here in post-processing, the exact signature curve that we generated in the first tutorial. Now, what about cFSM? Well, the constrained finite strip method allows us to decompose a buckling mode into its components, local, distortional, global, and even interactions of those three. Even though this here is a local buckling minima, and this is a distortional minima, and then here's the global curve, each one of these curves has a combination of the others in it. And cFSM allows us to see those combinations. So the way I involve the cFSM button is I click, and this is the button we care most about, the on-off button. I turn it on, the default is off, and you can see global, distortional, local, and other all change from basically 0 to 1. So right now, cFSM is going to decompose my signature curve into these 4 buckling modes. So we go back to analyze. We need to perform a new analysis for this. Alright, so nothing in the signature curve has changed, but what we can now do is use this box down in the lower left-hand corner. So we hit Classify, which performs the modal identification, and voila! cFSM has decomposed my signature curve into global, distortional, local, and other components. For example, examine the distortional section of the curve. It's not purely distortional. It has a little bit of local buckling and even a little bit of global. We can see this better by clicking on the supplemental participation plot, and we can better see the modal participation of the different buckling modes. And that's cFSM. Thanks for exploring CUFSM4, and we're glad you found us. Good luck!